Na-experience niyo na ba yung nag-annotate kayo ng book tapos nagbi-bleed yung ink o kaya bakat na bakat siya dun sa next page? Like, girl, sabi nila it's normal pero don't settle for less. Lalo na kung alam naman natin na merong mas better. Teka, kung hindi nyo alam ito, I've been annotating for years now, pero sometimes namimiss ko din kasi minsan di naman ako may dala lagi na pen or highlighter. Sometimes natatamad ako magsulat or mag-highlight kapag wala akong patungan, you know what I mean? But when I annotate, I always use two pens lang specifically. We have the Pilot G2 and the Titus Gel pen. They're both in black, pero I have also other colors for it. Ayoko lang ng medyo makulay masyado sa sulat. But sometimes if I feel like it, sige lang. My go-to is the Pilot G2. Pero yung nandito sa akin ngayon, G210. Pero ang aking marirecommend for annotations, especially with those maliliit na margins or maliliit na space on your pages, 0.5 kayo, me. It looks like this. Look. Shucks. Ganito siya. That's how it looks on your annotation, on your book. Pagka 0.5 naman, ganito yung itsura niya. It's still dark, but a little thinner. We also have the Titus Gel. 0.5 din siya. This one is my second go-to here. Dark pa din naman siya, pero thinner. So, almost the same quality silang dalawa. It's just that Pilot G2 is more expensive. If you are looking for a cheaper option, we have the Titus Gel. Kung naghahanap pa kayo ng mas mura pa and you want to haul, ano man tawag doon? Yung babae kayo ng madami. I can also recommend M&G. Blue yung nandito na nakuha ko agad. Ay, shucks, nabulog silang lahat! But this one, ganito yung itsura niya. And this, siguro mga 9 or 10 or 11. Depende kung saan niyo siya bibilin. Ganyan. Tapos yung black niya is, of course, darker. If you have more pen recommendations or meron kayong gustong ipatry, tingnan natin. Let's see.